You guys, check out this sweet potato pie. I used smoked caramelized sweet potatoes from our Traeger grill, and it delivered lots of flavor with all natural ingredients. Here's a video of me making the recipe. I have a little over a pound of sweet potatoes that I cooked in the smoker on high for about 15 minutes till they were soft and caramelized. Then I cut them up. I'm going to blend these up. I already have one pie made, and I'm going to blend them with a stick of softened butter. Here's the butter. Here is the first pie that I have done ready to bake. Adding in a cup of milk. Of the golden sugar, 2 large eggs, half a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm using the Saigon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I have poured both into my pie crusts. These are the deep dish pie crusts, and they are going in a 350-degree oven for about 50 minutes. These baked in my oven for about an hour, and I took them out when a toothpick inserted in the center came out clean. This recipe turned out delicious, and I will be making it again. Please let me know in the comments if you plan on making this sweet potato pie. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.